This video is brought to you by Vendue. Hey, Midwest Picker here. Man, I wish I had good news. This is not good news. I'm going to talk fast about what I did, the mistakes I made, so you don't make the same mistakes. It's going to be a quick video. Feel free to pause the video and look at the screenshots anytime you want. I've been a top-rated plus seller on eBay for a long time. Then out of the blue, I noticed my sales were tanking. I received an email from eBay that I didn't notice until recently. Whoopsie, first mistake. Always read your emails from eBay right away. But before I get deep into this issue, this quick message. Before I get this video started, I want to tell you about my new adventure called Crosslisting. I really don't want to spend a lot of money increasing my sales. Advertising and marketing can be expensive and time consuming. That's why I signed up with Vendue. Vendue is a cross-listing platform. It's a plugin for your Chrome browser. You simply just import the listings you already have into Vendue, or you can create listings from scratch right inside of Vendue. Then with just a few simple clicks, you can import your listings from Vendue into other platforms. Vendue currently supports 11 other platforms. That's huge. Vendue also has several monthly subscription plans that you can choose from small to large. I'm just a part-time reseller, so I picked the 125 listings per month plan, which is perfect for me. Vendue makes importing your listings super easy. Vendue also lets you try their product for free for 14 days. And if it's not for you, you can cancel anytime. The other cool thing about Vendue is you can upgrade or downgrade your monthly plan anytime you want on the fly. I thought about spending money on paid promotions, but then I thought about cross-listing instead. And all I have to do is sell one item a month on another platform, and Vendue pays for itself. One feature I like on Vendue is the bulk editing, like delist and relist, sending offers, marketplace sharing, and so many other things. Vendue is so smart, when you sell an item, Vendue will delist it on the other platforms you have it cross-listed on. The templates in Vendue are the same as the other platforms. For example, if you know how to use Poshmark, Etsy, Mercari, then you'll have no problem using Vendue. If I can do it, anyone can. And Vendue also saves you a lot of time. If you tried to cross-list to all your other platforms by hand, it would take much longer. And time is something you can't afford to lose. I have an affiliate link in the description below this video. If you click that link and sign up with Vendue, you get 25% off your first month. And I get a tiny little commission if you do that, which is really cool. So if you want to support my channel, click my affiliate link down below. You won't regret it. You'll save time, you'll increase sales, and you won't spend as much money as you normally would have on promoted listings and advertising and marketing. So if you want to get more eyes on your products and you are a reseller and you've always thought about cross-listing or cross-posting, give Vendue a try. It won't cost you anything to try it. And if you do like it and use it, you might see a huge bump in sales. All right, let's get back to the video. So here's the email. I'm going to do a screen record and take you along with me on my laptop here. Okay, so here's my email. Hi David, unfortunately your account no longer meets one or more of the top rated seller requirements based on US seller performance standards. Visit your seller standards dashboard to find out which areas need attention and get your account back on the top rated seller track. For tips about maintaining your status, see these customer service best practices. Thanks for selling on eBay, blah blah, with a link that says go to seller dashboard. Not good at all. The first thing I need to do is figure out what happened and how it happened. What does it mean and how long will it last? Spoiler alert, 12 months. And how to fix it. Today is August 4, 2025. To be top rated, and sometimes they say top rated plus, you got to have really good feedback. You have to have 1 day or same day handling and free 30-day returns. That's as of today. And I've got great feedback, hardly any customer returns for items. I have 1 day handling, free 30-day returns. I did this months and months ago, but please look this up yourself. By the time you watch this video, those standards and rules may have changed. So listen to me and avoid my mistakes, but when it comes to the nitty-gritty details, always look it up yourself. So in this email, it provides a link. So let's click that link and go to my dashboard. All right, hopefully this is recording. Yeah, it looks like it. Okay, so we're on eBay. my account. This is seller dashboard. I'll put up a picture too to help you get there. So this is my dashboard, and you can go on yours too. But right here it says your seller level. Well, it says right here, past seller level as of June 20, 2025 was top rated. Current seller level as of July 20, 2025, above standard. Well, that's not very good. I don't want to be above standard. I want to be top rated. If we evaluated you today, you'd be above standard. I got that. So here are the issues or potential issues. Transaction defect rate, 1.23%, 4 out of 326 transactions. We'll look at that in a second. Late shipment, 0. Cases closed without seller resolutions, 0. Tracking is 100%. Transactions and sales, 326 transactions. We'll get to that in a moment. And return rate, 1.55%. Now, returns are the cost of doing business. Returns happen, but you don't want a lot of returns. So I've had 5 out of 322. So eBay doesn't have a problem with that so far. Have you thought of becoming a top-rated seller? Yeah, I was, and I want to get back. So the issue is not the return rate. It is not tracking late shipments. It's right up here. Where did we go? Transaction defect rate, 1.23%. So let's open this up and take a look. So right now I'm at the above standard, which is not good. I want to be up here at top rated. So what's the issue? Transactions you canceled for being out of stock, quantity 4. That doesn't sound that bad, but the transaction period is from a year ago, August 1 of 2024 to July 31 of 2025. So let's click this link right here and get the full report. And I'm showing you all my dirty laundry, all my screw-ups and mistakes. So here we go. January 11 of this year, Villeroy and Bach basket fruit dessert bowls. I had to cancel this order because I had the inventory wrong. I said I had 8, but I only had 4. The buyer bought 6. I had to cancel 2 of them. It's very embarrassing. This one, Yardley London soap. I couldn't find the item. It was just gone. I mean, I searched for hours. I could not find it, so I had to cancel the order. This Imaging Coca signed this autographed playbill. That's actually an eBay mistake. They said I had 2 and I only had 1. So the same customer tried to buy it again. I made a video about this. I could fight this one. It's not worth the fight. And the last one, another Villeroy and Bach. This is a bread and butter plate. Again, I thought I had 12 in inventory. Customer bought 12. I actually only had 6. So I had to cancel the order and beg them to reorder the right amount and adjust it. It was a disaster. It was just a mess. So that's what happened for 3 of these things is I had my inventory wrong and I couldn't find an item. So we're back at my dashboard here. Transaction defect rate. All right. The transaction defect rate is the percentage of your total transactions that had only 1 or 2 defects, blah, blah, blah. So the problem with this is the amount of time. So they're looking at a whole year. So let's go back. So I'm going to put a screenshot up instead of me trying to navigate around and show you a screen record. It's going to take me forever, but I'm going to show you this on the screen. So eBay says to make sure you're getting a fair picture, we'll adjust how far we look back, the evaluation period, depending on how much you've sold recently. If you had more than 400 transactions in the past 3 months, which I don't, we'll count all those transactions as far as the defects and canceling orders. If you had fewer than 400 transactions in the past 3 months, we count all your transactions from the last 12 months. There you go. I'm a part-time reseller. I don't have that many transactions. I don't have 400 or more transactions in 3 months. And these issues occurred, like you saw, in January and July. One of them occurred in late July. So because I'm a small-time, part-time seller, they're going to look for 12 months to clear this. So this is August 2025. It's going to take an entire year until I have no canceled orders or issues with eBay. That's if it never happens again. Now, the benefits of being top rated plus is you get a discount on your final value fee. Your listings has a little blurb that eBay sticks there and says, hey, this seller is top rated. So it's kind of like a badge of honor, I guess, for potential buyers to see and have confidence. So it's my defect rate going back 12 months that's killing me. I'm going to show you some screenshots, my final value fee breakdown before I lost my top rated plus status. And here's a picture here. I'm going to let you look at this. This is a stare at tool catalog that I sold. You can see it says top rated plus discount, 10% off your final value fee, blah, blah, blah. I mean, it's not a ton of money. Well, now here's my new final value fee. Now that I lost my status, it's just 12.7%, no discounts. I'm paying the full final value fee. So that's going to cost me money. So not only am I losing my final value fee discount, I'm also losing that little blurb on all of my listings. Not a big deal, but I kind of liked having it there. The only good news is that I have 100% positive feedback and I have 180 followers on my eBay store. So when I list new items, I think eBay sends my followers an email if they opt in to let them know I just listed something. So it's not all bad news, but man, losing that discount on the final value fee stinks. And losing that little badge of honor on all my listings saying, hey, this buyer is top rated, that stinks too. I think that may hurt my sales a little bit. I don't know. In the whole secretive eBay algorithm, when a potential buyer is searching for an item, I don't know if top rated plus sellers get a little bit of a bump or a boost. And now that I'm a normie, am I just going to be down there with all the rest of the people? I don't know. So losing that status for 12 months really stinks. It's not the end of the world, but there is no easy fix. So don't be like me, guys. Make sure you have a SKU system for your inventory so you can find it. And if you have multiples, make sure you get that count correct. Double check and triple check your inventory, especially when you sell something. eBay does screw up. So if you have 50 of something and somebody buys 10, make sure your listing shows 40 remaining and doesn't still show 50. That's been a problem in the past. So know where your inventory is, like a SKU system, and know your inventory count for your multiples. And read those emails. So this is a little public service announcement from Midwest Picker. Why and how and for how long I've lost my top rated plus status. What does it mean? A lot of people don't even have top rated status and they don't even care. So let me know down in the comments. Have you never had top rated? You don't care. You're not going to try it. You're not going to do free 30-day returns. You can't do one or same day handling. It's impossible. You're just too busy to do that. Some people make a big deal out of being top rated. Some people don't care and have never been top rated. I kind of enjoyed it. I tried. I did the free 30-day returns, one-day handling. I think it helped with sales because I have some very strange vintagey collectible items in my sales, up and down, summer slowdown. But recently, man, I can go 4 or 5 days straight without a single sale. So it's very weird. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. It's not the end of the world, but I hate losing money. And for 12 months, I'm going to lose money. There's just no way around it, and I can't fix it. So until next time, see ya.